Hi everyone and welcome to my studio. I'm Diane and today I'm going to show you a super quick way to paint a lovely Easter card for your nearest and dearest. So let's get cracking. Okay, now this is a simple idea for a design for an Easter card, and I've got here a piece of watercolour paper which I folded in half to make a card. This is about 7 by 4 inches, I would say. And I'm going to just do a design with some eggs on it, like robin's eggs or something like that. So first of all, what we have to do is make a stencil for this. And so I'm going to draw the shape of an egg on this piece of paper. And then I'm going to cut around the shape using a sharp knife. There we are. So it doesn't matter if it's not exactly smooth, the edges, because the way we're going to do it is like this. Let's say we're going to do a group of 3, let's put it this way, let's say we're going to do 3 eggs here, so we're going to do them in a row. So we put the first one, let's say there, and then I'm going to paint the egg with a pale turquoise colour. This is turquoise blue. Just going to do it nice and light, using this as a guide, but not using it as an actual stencil, but just as a guide. There we are. And maybe we just put a little more colour on one side and let that bleed a little bit. And then the next one we'll put next to it like this, and we'll change the colour a little bit. Let's do a very pale yellowy colour. Maybe a tiny and then the third one we'll put here. I just turned the stencil over, and we'll make this one, let's say we make this one a very pale blue. This is cobalt blue rather than turquoise. There we are. So I think this one might be just a tiny bit dark compared to the other two, so I'm just going to lift out some of that colour. Okay, so we have 3 eggs. And now I'm going to dry them. Okay, and now I'm going to come back into the egg here, and I'm going to find my trusty toothbrush, and we're going to just spatter a little bit of spatter on the egg. So I've picked up some burnt umber, just try it out. Yes. 1 egg, and 2 eggs, 3 eggs. So there we are, just a very simple little demonstration of how to make a very easy Easter card. There's lots of variations you could make for this, just 1 bigger egg, or a whole sheet of, I've got a sheet of 9 here, or just stick with the 3 and a message underneath. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again here soon. Tomorrow I will be painting sheep and lambs, because we have just had 2 baby lambs born on the farm here, and they are so cute. So I will say bye-bye from now. I have a lamb to feed, and I'll see you again here soon. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.